Well. Mm-mm. This not safe. This not safe at all, people. One ex-police get catch again. You see me, I say, I'm watching no man. I know one man this time now, a woman, I tell you, say, oh, people, the woman bad, she bad. Woman all in a handcuffs and be things in a man, people, me I tell you, one tape around the place, which y'all blow. You see me, I say, I will see a couple of screenshots when she left on the bed and she have a handcuff there. Yo, you know what? We did not spend too much time in a inch of people. Watching no man. If you're new, you have to subscribe. You have to hit the bell. You understand that? We also have to drop a like on the video and tell me what you think all about this. One bag of people like get review for 2021 in the comment section. You understand that? Yeah, man, so viewers and subs from your device, you know, say right, so we with a brand new video, though. Yeah, man, and a video right now is leaked right out it viral. You understand that? With a police woman. It's like she one of them high rank police, they like a inspector, one of them high rank people. You see me I saying the police and the force. You understand the viewers and subs? Yeah, man, I tell you, right now a video is really like viral, the woman viewers and subs. I'm not telling a lie, from 2021 start. One whole heap of people go viral as it relates to these oral acts. You see me I say, what day? Not even what day. Just yesterday or the before yesterday, we heard the MP, you see me I say, the MP argument as it relates to this. You see me I say, then earlier this year we hear the squaddy. You see me I say, we talk about Roman racing and beer things. Yo. People, me I tell you, Jamaica is one piece of place right now. You understand that? Because you see, if one of them look at ask ya, are the crime and the one baga. You understand that? But another crime we come to talk about when I talk about them thing there. You understand that, viewers and subs? We see the woman and go on, people. If I see the video, make me know that in the comment section box down below. But I see a little piece of video, viewers and subs. You see it? But me never to like see the video, like see a video of she having sex. You see me I say, I see a video of she do the oral. You understand that? I'm not tell no lie, people. The woman wicked. You see me I say? You see as it relates to she doing her thing, you see me I say, you don't know she go do her job better, whatever you see, but you see in bed the woman wicked. You understand that, viewers and subs? And let me get one thing clear. Me and one of them type of person there, where when me see one of this, I burn out the people. You see me I say, me nah do it, you see me I say, and me not see myself I do them thing there, but it's for people who do it, I feed them choice. You see me I say, how can do business and want you don't know concern about people life and what they want to do. Everybody have them little rights for do what they want to do. You understand that? Yeah, man. And if she want for look you don't know, pleasure her man in such ways, you don't know if your business that, you see me I say, I have nothing against she. You see me I say, fear thing that, make sure do fear thing. You understand that? So when we get it clear, and we understand that, you don't know, when we see the woman them go viral these days, it's not even all that. You understand that? Yeah, man, because in no time, you see this that video yeah where the police woman blow off. You see me I say? Like 4 days or a week after today, after you see this video or whatever, you don't know, the news fade away. The news fade right away. You see me I say? But you see, like if it's a man now and you don't know, the man get catch and do them thing like the squaddy, me I tell you, the news are on because guess what? Jamaican, this is the Jamaican man them now, you see if he who I do it, them a hide. You understand that? And one thing me not understand, you know, people, if you do it, why you ashamed of it? You understand? If you do it, you must can hold up the people know a road. You see me I say people are chatty a road and be things, you must can hold up it same way because it was your choice. Nobody never force you to do it. You're into them thing that you're not supposed to feel no way if nobody find out. You understand that? And that's some of the girl them, I don't know, the girl them not business. You see me I say that's why when such things go viral with them, anything with them I do, you don't know, people talk and just go on and by the time you look, the news gone. Nobody remember about that. You see me I say, but you see for the man them now pretend to they nah do it for some of the man them, because we have some real dogs in the place where say they nah do it and they nah do it, they would have never do it, you know. So big up them boy there, you know. You see, but you understand, some boy them do it and you don't know, them pretend like them nah do it or them wouldn't do it and them not have it in them intentions and thing. Yeah, man. And that's why when for them video get leaked now, for them news stay up on the surface longer, for them news a trend longer. You understand that? What if it's a Jamaican? You see me I said, We see the foreign boy, them a do it and them a sing about it and be things. That's why nobody not do business. You see me I say, and people we don't do it, sing them song and be things same way. You see me I say, because them man they proud, them man they don't pretend to them now. Them man they do it and come say, yo, me do it. You understand that? But it's the Jamaican man them know what do it and I pretend him like them now do it. And them man the video get leak out, and whenever they get leak, it stay up on the net. Everybody is stay on their mind longer. You see me I say? Then start staying, you know, because they now want to go road, and you see me I say people are look on them certain way and whisper to their friend and this and that and this and that, and if they go road, them have to hold along their head and be things and be things. You see me I say? Yeah man, but Jaja me I tell you say yo the woman perform and she perform very well. You understand that, viewers and subs? Yeah man, me I make you know straight. If you not see the video, you probably gonna see it very soon. You see me I say me not have it. Me not like have it, me delete it. You see me I say, because the only thing me want the only thing me really want the video for two screenshots for putting on my thumbnail, as you wanna see the look picture before I click the video. Yeah man. That alone me want the video for. You understand that? Yeah man, I for just watch it because me everybody a talk about it. You understand that? Yeah man, but you see, if you not hit me up on Instagram about the video, I not gonna have it, so you know me in a sense you don't really hit me up on Instagram. You see me I say, but me I tell you people, the woman bad. You understand that? And it's like she into the deep freaky things. You see me I say deep freak. You understand that? Yeah man. Handcuff and be things. You see me I say? Like a damn thing that she really into me, I tell you, for your police. Jaja. You see me I say? Well, it don't know behind closed doors and be things. A whole lot more are going with a whole lot worse than this. You see me I say? So as I say, by in no time, you see this little news blow off and fade away. Just because it's a woman. I'm telling you that straight. You see me I say? And if you don't agree with that, let me know that in the comment section. You see me I say? Yeah man, what also have to do? I subscribe to your channel. You see me I say? Yeah man. So you don't know. If you want to see the video and you even share it up a little more, it no matter. You see me I say, people I just have it, watch it, delete it. If they want to come on YouTube, go search for it and thing. You don't know, they might search for it and get a local news like this. You see it? May I tell you, the woman bad. You see me I say, it's like she want them Iran police to people. You see it? If she lose her job for this, I don't so. You understand that? Because we see a lot do it. You see me I say, we see a whole heap do it right now as it relates to people in the force. You understand that? Me don't know what make them people here show up so for this year. But me I tell you say how them a show up wicked, them a show up enough. You understand? But you me I say the man don't stay this long in the video for big up yourself, now for big up on yourself. You see it? If you dip on the video right now, set speed, make me see a type rise a wicked man in the comment section. So me know say you're one of them person there. We really support the channel and stay along in the video. Watching the man, big up on yourself again. Stay tuned for more. I'm out.